Hello my friends, welcome to Bunny Tales. Today we're going to make a special craft for Thanksgiving. I'm going to pre-draw and cut out all the pieces we need. We are going to use these colored papers as feathers. We're also going to use these little pieces of paper to make the face of the turkey. This craft is very simple to make out of pieces of paper and toilet paper rolls. Once everything is set up, we can get started. Hello.
Hi.
Do you know what we're going to make today?
A turkey.
You're right, we are going to make a turkey because we're going to have Thanksgiving next week. Do you like Thanksgiving?
Yes.
What's your favorite part about Thanksgiving?
I like Thanksgiving because my friends and family come over and my mom makes lots of yummy food.
What's your favorite thing to eat?
Turkey and mashed potatoes and my grandma's apple pie.
Thanksgiving is a time to be thankful, so we're going to write all the things we're thankful for. Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
What are you thankful for?
My mom. And I'm also thankful for my dad.
I'm thankful for my family too. What else are you thankful for?
I am thankful for all the yummy food we're gonna eat. I'm thankful for my friends that are gonna come and play football. And I'm grateful for my pet cat Troubles. I'm grateful I have toys to play with.
That's great. I'm glad you have so many things to be thankful for. Now let's glue all the things we're grateful for onto our turkey, and then we can use it to decorate. You can decorate the Thanksgiving dinner table, or you can put it in your room and decorate it. I am so glad that I had my friend today to help me make this turkey craft. I hope you enjoy making it with your little ones.